First, entering this. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the template for the hotel room box. First, visit this web page and register with your account. Your password, slide down to register. You need to input with your real email so that future when you forget password, you can get the account back. Now I will already register. I will log in here and add a template. I will call it a hotel room box. Okay, and here is a one bedroom. I'm using the hotel room like this. It's a one bedroom standard hotel room as an example. And then the devices here, it will be the device layout. And this is the device detail list here. And also the device, also the scenario that I'm going to set up, and each lamp with their name. Okay, next. Now let's calculate how many devices we need. These are two gain switches, two gain switches with two gain scenario, two pieces, 1, 2, and then a 3 gain switches with 3 gain scenario, 1 pieces, 4 gain switches with 2 gain scenario, 1 piece. Please be noticed the switch 4 means it's a 4 gain switches with no scenario. This is a 2 gain switch with 4 gain switches with 2 scenario. Okay, generate the template. Okay, now let's rename the devices. Now I will name the devices one by one. Scenario will be bathroom on. On, and here will be another one, a counter on off. Okay, here this lamp will be opening the bathroom light, while this one is for the ventilation fan. Okay, done. A 2 gains, another one, 2 gain switch with 2 gain scenario. The device name will I call it like this, sleep mode. And night awake. This one will be number 3. Number 3 is placed here by the bedside. Okay, night awake. And another one is controlling the bedside lamp. And here is controlling the downlight. Done. A 3 gain switch with 3 gain scenario. I call it LED strip and downlight. The scenario name will be night wake. Curtain open. Controlling the curtain. Curtain close. Customize scenario. Bedside. You need to be noticed. Although this is controlling the lamp, but this one you can also use the lamp as using it to trigger the scenario. But now I make it to control the lamp only. 4 gain switches. This one. Name. First make the name so that you understand which is which. Oh, okay, sorry, this one. Should be placed by the entrance. So it's do not disturb and clean up. Entrance light. This is controlling entrance light. Down light. Clean up. This is controlling the lamp of the clean up. And here is the bright mode and private mode. Okay, 4 gain switches. 4 gain switches will be looking like this. 4 lamp with 2 scenario, but you can also customize the carving, of course. Okay, done. All these devices I make the rename. Now I remember there is also the curtain. A curtain. Let me call it curtain only. And then room car power device. When customer entering the room, part in the car, delay no scenario. You can call it maybe customize a scenario called welcome. And when a customer is leaving and pull out the car, you can customize a scenario called leave and delay for 10 seconds because after they pulled out the car, 30 seconds later, the room will cut the power entirely. Now delay for 10 seconds when you pull out the car and it will execute a scenario called leave. And then a door sensor, when it detects the door open, you will turn on the, let me call it, maybe entering the light, then call it entry when the door is detected open. Door sensor. Okay, and then also there is also a thermostat controlling the room temperature. Now this is all the scenario. Like here, we name the devices with scenario, and it will appear here. You can set up the logic. Now all on, then the bathroom all on, ventilation fan on, and other devices ignore it, don't need control. This all off, then close all the light. The sleep mode will be closing all the lamp. Turn off all the lamp. Okay, like this. Do not disturb should be on. Cleaned up, close. The curtain should be open for 0%, that is closed. This is not control. Okay. Sleep mode is finished. Now night wake. When you wake up at night, then when you are in bed, turn on the bathroom light. If you like to turn on the vent fan, is also okay. And others not control. Curtain open. When you press the button, you want the curtain to open. Maybe open entirely. curtain close. Then the curtain will be open for 0%, then it's closed. Okay. Bright mode, controlling the lamp down light on. Okay, ignore it. Let's turn on all the light. Do not disturb, not controlling it. Clean up. This is down light. Okay. This is entrance light. Turn on. Then. Okay. Private mode. Private mode. Private mode. Then let's close the curtain. Open for 0%, and the do not disturb this lamp. This is the device name, and this is the lamp name. Let's turn it on. And sometimes maybe we like the bedside light on. Okay, this is a private mode. The welcome is the scenario we set up when we plug in the hotel room card devices to this one. Then welcome will be depends on your requirement actually. Turn on the light and then open the curtain, open for 100% and open entirely. That side, down light open, and then like this. This is setting according to requirement, and leave the room will be leaving the room. Then let's turn off everything. Maybe turn on the clean up. The curtain is open for 0%, then it's closed. And this thermostat, turn it off automatically. Leave. Okay, now the last one, the entry. When customer first entering the room and door sensor detect open, let's find the entrance light, turn it on. Okay, like this. Now the dual control will be two switches controlling the one lamp, because we now name many devices. For example, like this one, bedside, and here do not disturb. Down light, have a down light. The two devices are the same. Okay. Then it can automatically syntheticate. Then both lamp named bedside, you see down light will automatically syntheticate here. And then after we make the setup, they will bind together. Okay, then this template is finished. Exit the page. Here is for you to change the name or maybe add a template introduction. Confirm it. And here is where you share the pages to the. You can also copy this link so that when you make the setup, you can directly, or maybe you can provide this QR code to the person who make the setup in the room. Press this share, then all the setting up we just make now will be able to share to the engineer to make the setup. This maybe looks a little bit troublesome, but it's totally off grid, because when there is no no gateway or no internet, the function we just set up will still be working. And if you like to using the application control, it is also feasible.